Hello dear students, today we are going to start part number 3 of the story The Quality, lesson number 5. Okay students, in this story Mr. Gessler was the main character and he was a good shoemaker and lived in London. जो कहाँ रहते हैं? लंदन में रहते हैं. So let's start. I had given those boots up when one evening they came one by one. I tried them on in shape and fit, in finish, and quality of leather. They were the best he had ever made. I flew downstairs, wrote a check, and posted it at once with my own hand. So what is saying? Then when he received those shoes from Mr. Gessler, he tried one by one, and every shoes and every one to be perfect fit. And overjoyed and happy, the narrator writes a check on in the name of Mr. Gessler. मतलब इनको इनकी क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी लगी इसी शूज़ की कि उन्होंने क्या किया, ही राइट्स ए चेक एंड पोस्टेड इट एट वंस. A week later, passing the little street, I thought I would go in, let him how splendidly new boots fitted, and when I came to where his shop had been, his name was gone. तो what the author is saying here, the author कह रहे हैं क्या कह रहे हैं कि when one day, a few days later, while passing the street, he comes across the shop only to say thank you. मतलब वो थैंक यू कहने के लिए जाना चाहते थे, only to say thank you to Mr. Gessler. And when he went there, तो उन्होंने क्या देखा, there was no name on the शॉप. मतलब शॉप पर कोई भी नेम नहीं लिखा हुआ था. जो मिस्टर गैसलर की जो शॉप थी, वहाँ पर गैसलर ब्रदर के नाम से वहाँ पर शॉप थी. देयर वाज नो नेम ऑन द बोर्ड. तो मिस्टर गैसलर he saw that there was an Englishman standing there, and he asked the Englishman, "Where is Mr. Gessler? I want to meet him." What Mr. Gessler said, what the Englishman said कि Mr. Gessler is no more, he has passed. मतलब वो नहीं रहे हैं अब. He is no more, वो अब नहीं है. Then the author was very shocked to hear this news. He was very shocked. He was very shocked to hear this news that, but I only received these boots from him last Wednesday week. But the author said कि I received these boots from Mr. Gessler last week, कि मैंने last week ही उनसे boots लिए. How it can be possible? तो ये कैसे possible हो सकता है? He said, the poor old man starved himself, so starvation, the doctor called it. You see, went to work in such a way would keep the show, wouldn't have a soul, touched his boots except himself. When he got an order, it took him such a time, people would not wait. He lost everybody, and there he had sit, going on and on. I will say that for him, not a man in London made a better boot. But look at the competition. He never advertised, would have the best leather to and do it all himself. Well, there is it. What could you expect with this idea but starvation? तो उसने क्या कहा कि इंग्लिश मैन ने कहा कि पुअर ओल्ड मैन ने क्या किया है, अपने आप को स्टार्व. द पुअर ओल्ड मैन स्टार्व्ड हिमसेल्फ. व्हेन ही आस्क्ड द रीज़न, व्हेन द ऑथर आस्क्ड द रीज़न कि हाउ इट कैन बी पॉसिबल, देन द इंग्लिश मैन answered that Mr. Gessler starved himself. The money he was earning was too less, and and he could just cover to rent. मतलब इतनी मनी जो वो अर्न करते थे वो इतनी कम होती थी दैट ही कुड जस्ट कवर्ड हिज रेंट एंड वो उनके डेडिकेशन के बारे में बताते हैं when he told him about his dedication to make boats कि when he sits down to make boats he and forgetting about to eat and drink मतलब जब भी वो कोई when he got an order when he sat down to make boats he forgot to eat drink and ही लॉस्ट एवरीबॉडी वो सब कुछ भूल जाते थे और क्या करते थे वो शूज़ बनाने में लग जाते थे द फिनोमिना स्लो स्टारवेशन क्या किया उन्होंने जो मतलब फिनोमिना था उन्होंने जो भी अभी स्लो स्टारवेशन की वो उससे भूख से मर रहे थे रिसेंट ऑर्डर ही गॉट टू मेक बोट्स वर्कड डे इन एंड डे आउट फॉरगेटिंग अबाउट the food and drink and starvation that led to his सर्टेन डेथ जो स्टारवेशन में भूख मतलब खाना पीना छोड़ देते थे अपना बूट्स बनाने में बिज़ी हो जाते थे दैट लेड टू हिज सर्टेन डेथ दैट स्टारवेशन दैट लेड टू हिज सर्टेन डेथ वो उसका दैट वाज द रीज़न ऑफ हिज देयर डेथ then the last line but starvation that may be a bit flowery as the saying I know myself he was sitting over his boards day and night and to last you see I used to never gave himself time to eat. How he lived so long, I do not know. The regularly let his fire go out. He was a character. He made good boots. Yes, I said he made good boots. So, last line of this chapter says that no man in London who can make better boots, better shoes than Mr. Gessler. This story explains the plight and the dedication of the local shoemaker like Mr. Gessler who has no more money जिनके पास मतलब who has less money जिनके पास कम पैसे होते हैं ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं होते to advertise their product but Mr. Gessler was the best shoemaker in London who has done his work with good perfection. I hope dear students this lesson is clear to you. If you have any query then you can ask.